Okay, in today's video, we are going to talk about how to set up the SMS appointment setter bot for your system. So you're going to log into your Get Realtor AI account. You're going to go to settings and you're going to go down to custom fields. Excuse me, custom values. So when you get into custom values, don't worry if you see more custom values in my account than you see in yours. That doesn't make any difference. What we're really focused on is giving the bot enough information so it can perform the appointment setting for you. So you'll notice that there are a list of things that start with bot. And guess what? That's what we have to fill out. So you're going to give your bot a name. In order to give it a name, mine's already sitting in there as Rosie. Yours will most likely be blank. You just click on the edit, you enter in whatever you want the name to be, you hit update, and you're done. So the next thing we're going to do is we're going to go to the city. You're going to put what city you're in. You're going to put what state you're in. You're going to put some disqualifying criteria. Now, let me tell you why this is in here. So I am running my own realtor business out of this system as well. I don't want my bots setting appointments with people that either don't want to buy or sell a home or that want to buy and sell a home a year or more from now. So I put in this disqualifying criteria to say, hey, bot, while you're chatting with them, right, because it's having a conversation with them, while you're chatting with them, like find out if they mention either of these things, don't try and set an appointment with them. So once you have put in your disqualifying criteria, then you're going to put in your actual questions. Now, this is in a sense kind of what the way that I thought of this as I was building it was when I'm talking to someone on the phone, what are the main questions I'm asking them before I try and set an appointment? And that's really where these came from. So the first thing that I ask them is, are you looking to buy or sell a home? And I'm looking to see if they answer buy or sell, right? If it's buy, then you've got a buy question, which is this bot question 2A. If it's sell, then we've got this bot question 2B, which is how soon are you looking to sell your property? Because they're going to be different questions if it's a seller versus a buyer. Now, let me go to the next screen. Then I ask them after that, I just say, when are you free to chat? Now, you can make these questions anything you want. It just needs to make logical sense to the contact that the bot is chatting with. And it's got to really guide them towards setting an appointment, right? And that's really why I say, when are you usually free to chat? Because I want to make sure that they are we're planting the seed that they're actually going to get an appointment set. Now, the bot specific offer right here, I just put as buying or selling a home in the next 6 to 12 months. So the AI will use that occasionally just to make sure that they're on the right track. So like if they're talking to somebody and the person starts to wander away from the questions, the bot will come back and ask them this bot specific offer. And so it's like, are you still interested in buying or selling a home in the next 6 to 12 months? Now you can put whatever you want in here, right? The flexibility here is you can make this your own. I'm just explaining to you how I've done it for my own real estate business. Now, the bot type of company is real estate agency. Now, there's two other fields that don't have bot in front of them that you'll want to put something into. The first is you're going to want to put one as the bot or GPT assistant response message. This is the first message that is sent to the user via SMS, right? So when you first assign the bot to this person, then it's going to send this text message to them. And so I just wanted it to be something that was broad enough. I'm just looking to have them respond to something, right? Once they respond, the AI kicks in. So you just have to load the very first question that is going to be asked of them, and then the AI will take care of it from there. And then inside the user response message, I just put hi again. We just need to have something in there so that when they do respond to that first text, it knows to take off. So that's it. That's all you have to do in order to set up your bot. Everything else has been handled on the back end. Now, let me show you how you actually add the bot to someone, to a contact, so that they start getting these texts. Okay, now let's talk about how to actually add the bot to a contact in the system. Now, I'm just going to create a sample contact just for purposes of the demo. And I'm going to give them a phone number. Now, this isn't a real number. I'm just giving a number so that it has one in there because you can't assign it without a phone number. So I'm going to hit save. And now it's loaded the contact screen. So if you wanted to add an individual contact to the bot, all you have to do is go down into campaigns and workflows and add a new one. And you'll notice in your dropdown, one of the first, I have a few more, but one of the first ones you have is chat SMS start bot. That's it. That's all you have to do. You just hit that and you hit add. It's going to automatically send them a text message, and it's going to start the bot for them. Now, that's how you do it on a single basis. Now, what if you wanted to add it to either multiple people, or you wanted to add in automation? Now, you can go into your contacts, go to here, and there's this add to campaign workflow. I could add everybody to this workflow just by choosing it again right here. So if I wanted to add every single person in my database to the workflow, then I would just add them through contacts. You can filter your contacts so that maybe it's just leads you're adding them to, or you can actually create an automation where you are adding people to that. So I'm just going to do this just from scratch to show you, but you can add this into anything. So let's just say you want to add them. All you have to do is put in workflow, add to workflow, and then choose the workflow. That's it. And that's it. Like once you've done that, then it's going to add them to that workflow and the system will take over. So you can decide what the trigger is, how you're getting your contact there, all of that stuff. But it's really as simple as just add it to the workflow. From there, the system will take care of everything else. And so you've got a lot of flexibility in terms of how you're going to use this bot on your site. Now, again, this is an SMS bot. This is not a website bot. So this is the bot that is actually having the text conversation with your leads as follow-up, trying to set an appointment. So it's important to understand that there's no interface that you see that is the text appointment setter. You'll really just notice the messages showing up inside of the contacts communication feed. So if you have any questions on this, feel free to reach out.